Hi, my name is Anna. I am an Osteo Health virtual assistant. I'm here to talk to you today about TMJD. That's a temporomandibular joint disorder. What is TMJD is a question we hear a lot at Osteo Health, so let's find out more. The first thing to know is that you have two temporomandibular joints, one on either side of the jaw. These joints are like sliding hinges that connect your jawbone to your skull. TMJD is when these joints don't work properly or cause pain in the muscles around the TMJ in the head, neck and jaw or in the jaw joints themselves. TMJD can affect people of any age or stage in life, but it seems to be more common in women. We don't always know what causes TMJD. Sometimes it's caused by an injury, arthritis, or a worn disc in the joint. But more often than not, there's no obvious cause. What will be obvious, though, is the symptoms. If they relate to the muscles around the head, neck and jaw, they can include headaches, pain in the neck, jaw or ear, vertigo, tinnitus, hearing loss, blocked ears, shoulder pain, numbness in the face or fingertips or tooth pain. If your TMJD relates to the jaw joints themselves, you might experience clicking, popping, crackling or other noises when the joints move or even your jaw locking open or closed. Want to know more about TMJD? Check out our article or get in touch with our experts at Osteo Health. To book an appointment, please visit our online booking site. Stay healthy with Osteo Health.